Okay, so the Lectric XP 2.0 Step-Thru finally showed up. So I'll unbox it real quick. One thing they did do that was a little bit different is when I got the Polarna, it all came in one box with the battery. Lectric apparently ships theirs separately, so the battery came at the same time, but just in a separate box. As far as the box, it is pretty nice. They have a handle on this side right there, and then they have another one on the opposite corner, which actually makes sense because when you grab it, if you do a wide grip, you're going to grab this front handle with one hand and then reach over with your other hand and grab back here. It makes it pretty easy to carry. I can feel it wiggling around in there, so probably doesn't have the same type of foam that you saw in the unboxing with the Polarna, but it does seem like it's pretty sturdy. The box is in great shape too, so the shipping carrier just took better care of it, I guess. There is a little dent there, but it doesn't seem to go in very far, so nothing major as far as the condition of the box. So definitely no foam, but it is packaged nice. I'm gonna say this is pretty difficult to get this damaged. It does look like it might have made some contact in that area, but no. Looks like the cardboard protected there. Probably see here where it was dinged up a bit, but it didn't make it through that flap, so hopefully we're in good shape. I think to pop this one out, I'm just gonna pick it up and drag it out. Okay, so my camera fell over there at the end, but as you can see, this is it's a really sharp looking bike. Probably be even better looking once I turn that seat around. There we go. That's a little better with the seat facing the right direction. It's a nice looking bike. It looks really sharp in that white color. I actually really like the spoked wheels. I do like the mags on the Polarna, but something about the black spokes just really looks nice with that. Really looks nice with that white paint on the Lectric. The screen I think is not going to be nearly as nice. It looks okay here. It may be easier to read with polarized sunglasses. The Polarna's you can't read it at all actually with polarized shades, so that may be an issue. It comes with that rear rack, which is more than adequate, and then of course it comes with the mounts in case you want to add a basket to the front. So pretty nice, no damage. I like the color. I think my wife's going to be really happy with it. The tires are just slightly thinner. So we got the 3-inch versus the 4-inch on the Polarna. Still should be just fine as far as riding on the sand or any kind of trails. May actually be a better compromise to have the thinner 3-inch tires. As far as the road noise, it's going to be a little bit quieter and should get better range, just less resistance, rolling resistance. So like I mentioned, the battery comes in a separate case, in a separate package. I'm sure the keys are in here also. Got it here. So yeah, keys, nice battery. So there are the specs of the Lectric. So it's a 10 amp hour, still 48 volts. The Polarna comes with a 14. I think the Polarna comes with a 14 for some folks. Not everyone's going to get the 14. I think they have a 12.5, I believe, is what they're going to be shipping out now. But some of the pre-orders And those of us that ordered early got the 14. So you may want to check with them and see if they have 14 available before you order, and you're disappointed when you get a smaller capacity. But that's it, so I'll charge this up. One thing I don't see is the charger. Let me double check in here. Sure enough, there's the charger there. Alright, so here's the charger. Let's open this guy up. Good looking charger. First thing I noticed, it's actually a little bit larger than the Polarna charger. Although I'm sure it's still 2 amps, and sure enough, another 2 amp charger. Alright, well, so now I got it unpacked. I'm going to charge it up, and then I wanted to wait to do the review until I had both bikes here. That way it'll just give me a good comparison. I can have something to actually relate the 2 bikes to. Let you know what I think as far as which one I prefer, or what may be better for someone taller, like myself. I'm 6'1", so yeah, hopefully I'll get back to you pretty soon, as soon as I give both these guys a ride, and see what my wife thinks about them.